Hey there, this is Lucas from Purple Room Marketing. We're a digital marketing agency, and I was just making research on the area, and I came across your website and your business. So I wanted to show you this short video on 3 tips on how can you start beating your competition online. So if you like what you see, please get back to me so we can chat more about it. And anyways, I just want to make a short video because I don't want to waste your time or mine either. So let's get to it. I want to talk about the 3 main things that Google uses to rank a website or a business on the top of the results. Those are content, citations, and backlinks. Okay, content would be everything that is on your website, from the text to the pictures, how the pictures are saved as, and also what is behind the pictures. The search engine can see all that stuff and it uses it to figure out what kind of business is it and what kind of services do you provide. Okay, I see that you guys have a pretty good amount of content and pictures over here already. What Google likes to see is a lot of keyword targeted and rich authoritative content, all right, in order to be able to find you when somebody looks for your service. Let's say Podiatrist Miami. So somebody searched that on Google, and Google, if you're targeting those keywords, those service keywords, when somebody looks for that, you would pop on the top of the results. Okay, so make sure that all your content is keyword oriented and rich, and that will be it for the content part. Then let's move to citations. All right, when we go to citations right here, okay, for example, you look Podiatrist Miami and you see this. Okay, this is the MacPack, the Google My Business, and usually sometimes you also see some ads on top over here, but the ads are a little bit of a hit and miss because when somebody uses an ad block, which are very popular nowadays, you cannot even see the ads. All right. So what we're going for right now is citations, which is about this part over here. How do you get on the top here? By having more citations than your competition. A citation is your business name, website, and phone number listed the same way as you did with Google on other directories all throughout the web. And by directories, I mean Yellow Pages, Yelp, Facebook, so on and so forth. Okay, it's thousands of them online. So yes, make sure that we will see how many citations the competition have. Then we will go on and build at least 50 to 100 more, the more the better. So that way, when they realize that they've been overranked and they wanna outrank and they wanna catch up, building more citations, they can never get to it. All right, because we will start building citations as well because we will be checking this on a regular basis, and that way they can never catch up. Citations also would help you rank on the organic results. As you see here, the statistics say that most of the people that looks for a service, they click and they go within the first 3 results, all right? And that percentage, most of them go on the first one, all right? And when the first result is also the first on the Google My Business, gets 90% of the searches on average, because most of the people trust the most when a business shows here and here at the top at the same time. Okay, so citations will help you get up here too, but for this, the most important thing is the content and the backlinks that I want to talk about right now. So for backlinks, we'll go to your website here. Okay, and we put your website on Ahrefs, which is a tool that we use to kind of see how a website is performing online, all right? And that way, here it gives us a little bit of the data, the important data that we need to have, all right? So here we see, this is the power and the trust that Google gives you, which is pretty good, all right? This is pretty good. Then you have 36 referring domains with 344 backlinks. A backlink is basically your website mentioned in another website that when somebody clicks on it, it directs you back to your website. All right. but not all backlinks are created equal. A backlink on your same niche from another doctor's website or from a medical site or something like that, a medical article, it would be always way more powerful on the eyes of Google than your website mentioned in a regular blog or a regular forum about different topics. All right. Then that gets you ranking for 131 keywords, which brings you around 88 people every month in traffic on your website. So if you see your competition here, when you look for Podiatrist Miami, Edward Bustamante is the number one right here. All right. You go to Ahrefs and put his website in. His website looks pretty much the same thing as all the doctor websites. He has some pictures, some content. All right. But he has everything saved properly and the content with the keywords targeting. So even though he has less referring domains that brings in less backlinks, his backlinks are more powerful. All right. And then he's ranking and targeting 165 keywords very strongly. That's what he's ranking on the top one. And he's bringing around 310 people every single month through his website. So these are 310 potential clients, potential patients, right? If you see on the keywords that he's ranking for, it's all the services that people are looking for. Podiatrist Miami, foot doctor Miami, Miami podiatrist, podiatrist in Miami, etc., etc. And as you see here, those are terms that are searched 700 times a month, 150 times a month, 100, 100, 190, and he's always on the first position. You can see it right here. He's always the first result. That's why he's getting the big portion of all the traffic. All right. So for you, you could be over there in the top as well with no problem. The only thing you would need is to build a strong, healthy backlink profile, a good number of citations so you rank on the top of the Google Backpack, and a good amount of keyword reach and targeting authoritative content. And that's it. That and a little bit of time, and you will be ranking at the top of Google results and getting all the traffic that this guy is getting, if not more. All right. So, with that said, thank you very much for listening. And if you like what I just told you, please get in touch with me so we can talk more about it. If not, I'll just use it for yourself. I'll give you these tips for free. And just give me a little comment or review on the video. That would be much appreciated. Thank you very much.